Workspaces in Front are like dedicated virtual office spaces within the platform, each with its own set of teammates, inboxes, rules, analytics, and resources like tags and message templates. This setup allows you to tailor each workspace to fit the needs of a specific team or department, much like how you'd optimize a physical office for maximum productivity. It's like giving each team their own instance of Front, but even better, because you can still collaborate across workspaces and manage everything within a single account. Let's dive into the key reasons why creating multiple workspaces for your team can be beneficial. First, this gives you the ability to customize access based on role. When you add a teammate to a workspace, you can define their role and permissions. Whether they're a teammate or admin determines the level of access they'll have. You can assign teammates to one or more workspaces, and their access level in each will determine what they can do, like managing inboxes, creating rules, or adding resources. You can make a teammate an admin of a workspace, allowing them to manage inboxes within that workspace, while ensuring they don't have access to inboxes in a different workspace or the ability to tweak company-wide settings. Keep in mind that company-wide settings, such as billing, SSO, and integrations, apply across all workspaces. Second, workspaces help you manage sensitive information across teams. For example, when a contact is auto-created from a conversation in a workspace, only teammates with access to that workspace can see it. This applies to contact lists and notes too. For extra security, admins in one workspace can't change inbox access for another workspace, keeping confidential information safe within the appropriate group. These features make workspaces a powerful way to organize your team and ensure that access is both flexible and secure. While workspaces are a great way to create separate spaces within your instance, it's important to note that creating separate workspaces is not recommended for every team or every use case. There are numerous ways to customize Friends functionality to specific inboxes without creating workspaces. Let's review some examples. First, an example where separate workspaces are needed. Imagine a company with a finance team that manages everything from employee compensation to customer billing and refunds. The customer support team often collaborates with the finance team on billing issues, but it's crucial that the customer support team's admins and managers don't have access to sensitive employee compensation or financial data. In this case, separate workspaces would be essential to ensure that each team has access to the information they need without compromising confidentiality between departments. Teammates across different workspaces can still collaborate seamlessly. Even if someone doesn't have access to a particular workspace, they can be assigned or mentioned in a conversation to grant them one-off access. When a teammate is given access, they can take limited actions in that conversation, like leaving comments, assigning it, creating drafts to share, or replying from their personal email channel. However, they won't be able to reply from a shared channel, add or remove team tags, or access workspace-specific message templates or signatures. In this instance, the customer support team can mention one or more team members of the finance department to grant access to the conversation and allow them to review a customer's billing request without worry of employee data being shared accidentally. Here's an example where separate workspaces are not necessary. Let's say a company has multiple support inboxes where customer requests are routed based on territory, determined by region and time zone. The support team wants to ensure that analytics are accurate and business hours are respected for each inbox. Rather than creating separate workspaces for each time zone, They can simply set business hours for each inbox, ensuring that metrics are tracked properly. This approach allows the support team to stay united and collaborate effectively without being siloed into separate workspaces.